Consider this diagram below, and the first thing we want to do is rotate the triangle ABC 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the point D. So if we think about A, rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise about D, and then this green line here, instead of pointing at 6 o'clock, would point here at 3 o'clock. So that would be A. Now, if we're rotating anti-clockwise, it should be clear that the triangle will be in this sort of orientation. And so since the side AB is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units long, B dashed would be up here. So remember, this one here is A dashed. And then since this side just here is 1, 2, 3, 4 units long, C dashed would be here. And this is our rotated triangle. We're asked to give the coordinates. So A dashed is at 0, 1. B dashed is at 0, 9. And C dashed is at 4, 9. Now we want to rotate the original triangle, ABC, 90 degrees clockwise about point C. So point C is going to be the point of rotation, and therefore C and C dashed will be the same. C is not going to move if we rotate around it. Now if we're going this time clockwise, it should be clear that the triangle is going to be in this sort of configuration. So in other words, B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 squares away, would be there. And of course I called that C dash, but it should be double dashed for this triangle. And this one is B double dashed. And that's where the right angle is at B. And then we know that the other side is 8 units long. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would mean A double dashed was up here. And there's our triangle. And A double dashed is at 9, 2. B double dashed is at 9, negative 6. And C double dashed is exactly where it was to start with, which is at 5, negative 6. And of course, all of the triangles are congruent.